Good morning, teacher. My name is Juan Avila. Today is Saturday, June 7th. I will be presenting the English assignment for the second submission. Number one, the objects are lights of lamps, a picture of portrait, a table, and napkins. Number two, the people are a family of three are enjoying a pleasant moment inside a restaurant. Number three, a brief description of the objects. The lamps give a touch of illumination to the restaurant. The portrait plays a prominent role in the place. The table is set for a pleasant moment, and the napkins protect to the tablecloths from the sun stains. On the other hand, the family is made up to others and a child. They are toasting with the drinks and enjoying pizza. Well, teacher, that was all today. Thank you for watching.